Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video on the channel. Today, this is Saturday. I don't have long to film, but I just want to say for yesterday, happy Bonfire night for yesterday. Hopefully you enjoyed the bonfire. There was a bonfire over there, but I didn't want to show it because my phone was literally dead and I couldn't even do anything. So sorry we keep on seeing the white lights coming on my screen just because the battery's low. But like I said, I've got 2% left on my phone. I don't have long. The shout outs I want to give for today is Leighton, is one of my favourite guys called Leighton Brandner. He has a YouTube channel, so if you want to go and subscribe to him, go and subscribe to Leighton Brandner. Leighton, if you're watching this, sorry I couldn't show you the bonfire because my battery was dead, or my battery, or the battery on my phone was on 2% because my stupid data just worn it down. So sorry if you missed it and stuff. But Leighton, instead of this, I'm going to start up this T-dub for you. So let me just put it in somewhere. I don't know where the fuck. Put it in. No, wait, that's wet there. Sorry guys. Sorry mate. I'll put this here quick. Put lights on. Something like that. There you go, that's the tractor started up for you mate. Hopefully you enjoyed it. And I will see you guys in the next video. I was trying my hand on the thing. And by the way, I'm there working today. It was just a bonfire we're doing. But if Dad's got any photos, I'll show you on phone. Right. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. And I will see you later in the next one. Goodbye.